Nothing has changed.
En el piso,
Merlene Gallegos keeps opening her doors,
mira,
keeps teaching kids colors,
rojo y azul.
and keeps caring for her mariposas en el viento, butterflies in the wind, from her Las Cruces, New Mexico home.
Comenzó las 6 de la mañana
Grande.
hasta las 6 de la tarde.
¿Es tu trabajo? ¿Es su vida?
Sí.
Wow.
She keeps doing all this
No,
1 month after a deadline that shook child care centers across the country.
Esta es pintura.
Nothing has changed yet.
ese ciclo de sigo trabajando, cierro, pues necesitamos la ayuda. Gracias.
It's been called the child care cliff. Pandemic relief funds dedicated to child care, $24 billion from the federal government, expired in September. The money had gone for tuition for parents, raises for workers. Gallegos says it kept her business alive.
Thank you.
But it's still alive because she happens to live in a state that has become a national model of action on child care.
Es una comunidad amigable.
Mati Miranda is a community organizer with the group OLE. Before the pandemic, New Mexico consistently ranked among the worst states in America for childcare. Access was slim in a scenic but spread out state.
No, light blue.
But that's when an emergency situation met a receptive state government and a rising tide of advocates,
Un momentito.
including Gallegos.
Es una manera de abogar por mi comunidad.
In 2021, the state expanded childcare subsidies and waived copays for families up to 400% of the poverty level. Last year, residents voted overwhelmingly to add tens of millions of dollars a year for early childhood programs. As a result, at a time when centers all around have been shutting down, New Mexico has thousands more open spaces for childcare and thousands more children receiving aid than before the pandemic.
Las familias, al tener este apoyo, creo que estarían dejando de un lado de estar solicitando ayudas y por ellos mismos, la familia no quieren estar solicitando. Ellos quieren trabajar, ser independientes.
Vámonos.
It's why Gallegos Group includes a 16-month-old named Santiago,
Uchi, Santi.
because care is now affordable
He likes attention as well.
for his mom, Maria.
There's a lot of us parents that we either have to choose between going to work, staying at home, or going to work to be able to pay the co-pays of childcare.
New Mexico is a leader, but they're not alone. Nearly 20 states made major financial commitments to childcare during this year's legislative sessions. But in no state does the money committed offset the pandemic money that's now gone.
Una.
At the home of Gallegos, nothing has changed. Not for her small staff, not for her mariposas en el viento.
Otra vez.
For her,
Una,
there's been
dos.
a big change.
Desde septiembre yo no estoy recibiendo pago para mí.
¿Usted no recibe pago?
Yo me quité mi pago desde septiembre. Estaba entre cerrar, conseguir otro trabajo, y no, o sea, veo a los niños y digo no.
In Las Cruces, New Mexico, I'm Matt Pearl.